Welcome to the channel, and what we hope is going to be the last video on the Monterey before we make a really big move. Before I get into this, though, I want to congratulate the t-shirt winners, which is James, Eric, and Michael. I was going to introduce the car today, but it's been snowing all day here in southern Ontario. It was a 62 Fairlane 500 two-door car. For anyone who didn't know, they did, and their shirts will be in the mail tomorrow. So we have been working on the Monterey, of course, and this has sort of been what we've been up to. We've been getting all the bracing in so that we can remove the body from the frame. And I'll flip this around so you can have a little better. We made brackets to go in where the door hinges go, and we made plates for the back side that you can see there, and then we've tied them all together. It's a recommendation of Freeman that we the body guy, which you'll be meeting really soon, actually. So we drilled holes and bolted everything in because he says it's a lot easier to just spot weld those versus welding all the braces directly to the door jambs. And where we put the holes, there's actually a double plate there. There's a spot weld, so it's actually a strong point. Of course, it's braced all the way across. Some dummy, that would be me, forgot to order a little longer ones for across there, so we had to do some splicing. The other thing that we ran into, we had a rotisserie on loan. You can see there's a brand new rotisserie there. We went and picked one up, and the boys came over on Friday, and we got it all assembled. This is from Princess Auto. I'm sure many people are going to go, ooh, damn, you're going to pick up a car with that. But that was what was available at a bit of an affordable price. So I guess we'll be able to give you a bit of a review on it. The other thing that took place was the boys had a lot of fun because I kept missing the target with welding. And after 20 years of using this welding mask, it's actually going to go right in the garbage because I just got to try out the new one today to finish up some welding. Picked up a new mask, and so far I like it. Probably got to do some more tweaking. We will be back on Wednesday, and I hope to have some camera angles set up so we can watch this Monterey come off. Of course, we've been talking about finding a serial number on the frame. That's the other thing that really matters to us. I believe Freeman's going to be here, so you may get to meet Freeman. He's the body guy that's going to be doing this majority of the body work on this car. He is just getting over back surgery about 6 weeks ago, but he's feeling kind of spunky, and I know he's dying. TVs are not his thing, so he's ready to start getting his hands dirty as well. So he can be here to help coordinate us with getting the body off. So whip together some of the camera stuff so you can see what it'll look like putting the framework together in the form of a video, I guess. And if you want a t-shirt, you can go to our Facebook page and message us. We are reasonable with the price of our shirts. We're not trying to gouge anybody. Or you can email us at hotcars@gmail.com. And more than likely somewhere down the road we'll give away a couple more shirts for anybody else who is interested. And enjoy the video. We will see you before the end of the week with hopefully a lot more progress. We're so anxious to get this body off the frame. Seems like it's been a long time, the 3 months we've been working on it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.